Rumi horo hammeka. Mbiaru mbokwu okazi very important today. Nchọrọ m ọwa amahịa, nchọrọ m Africa amahịa, nchọrọ m ma nye ọbụla amahịa nụ ndị hụrụ ha. Rumi hụrụ ha, Rumi Ikwerre na abụla troublesome people. Rumi hụrụ ha the peaceful in nature. Rumi hụrụ ha the bold, the strong. Nwere courage okwu nha bụ mkpaba, mema sebe eheba protect at every level. But when hụrụ ha, bla somebody is a troublesome, or bla somebody be a violent person in nature, or bla somebody yano violence wuga, or bla somebody mega mo mebu meba di iba. When hụrụ ha, a true hụrụ ha son, a true Ikwerre son is not troublesome. Because you have to understand that Port Harcourt, owned by the Ikwerre people, does not mean that everybody who resides in Port Harcourt is from Ikwerre. I have seen and watched videos of the girl who was abused at a club called Black Boss or so, somewhere in GRA. I can't remember when last I went to club. And there are news making round that an Ikwerre person did that to her. The man who did that to her is not an Ikwerre man. He's not an Ikwerre man. They say he's Simo Global or something, I don't know. He's not an Ikwerre man. Please do not bring Ikwerre name, don't throw our name to the mud. An Ikwerre man is a peaceful man in nature. An Ikwerre man is bold, is courageous, is strong to protect what belongs to him. You can ask people who have lived in Port Harcourt for many years. Ikwerre man will not come do such things in public. We are not known for that. Please. I have also seen a video of a girl who they say the boyfriend or something used bottle on her head. Ikwerre man does not behave that way. Francis Duru went to University of Port Harcourt in Choba, Ikwerre land. Yole Doche went to University of Port Harcourt in Ikwerre land. Many of them in the Nollywood. You can go and ask them. Ikwerre people are not troublesome people in nature. So please, that certain things happen in Port Harcourt does not mean the people who carried out those crimes are from Ikwerre. No. There are strangers littered everywhere in Port Harcourt, just like Lagos, Abuja, and other major cities in Nigeria and Africa. We have Ikwerre people who are ambassadors to Ikwerre, and I can call few of them. Mola Lisa Chinda is an Elele woman from Evo. She's not troublesome in nature. Julius Agun is from Choba. He's not a troublesome person. Duncan Mighty is not a troublesome person. Mr. Fone Sabinus is not a troublesome person. We have many of them. Tuntu Dike, we have many of them. They are not troublesome. Bobby Ogoloma, these are known celebrities in the entertainment industry. They are not troublesome. I'm not a troublesome person. But Ihoro man will stand tall and protect what is due him. We will have courage to speak for himself. But we are not troublesome people. Please disregard any video you see where they have mentioned the Ikwerre name. The people who carried out those crimes are not Ikwerre people. Ikwerre man is peaceful in nature. And that is why we have accommodated a lot of strangers. Let's go and find out. We are the best. Umi hono hammaker, Ikwerre hammaker, obuna normal hammaker. Ileri yamma.